be here today. So it's very nice to see everyone in person and, just talk. And also we had a few quick wins in our project. And I think we just did that because we managed to meet each other in person. I hope that we can continue. So throughout the next weeks, we're gonna do a few more follow-ups. And I hope to see everyone very soon again to continue in our project.
I really enjoy meeting everyone at the company who I haven't had a chance to speak to in person before. I'm a working student in the Berlin team and work in finance. I haven't had the chance to meet everyone yet, so it's really cool to see all these faces, talk to everyone, and get to know the people.
So today is my first day and it's been great to start with Spike Week, meet everyone at once, all of the different teams from different countries. Definitely been intense, but really, really cool. And I'm looking forward to the next days.
The funniest moment in the last 2 days. Probably karaoke last night, yeah. We got quite a few people there. Some very impressive singers in the company that I did not know could sing that well. So that was a good one, yeah.